See, in this question, what we have to do, we need to calculate VTH, right? And as you know that VTH would be equal to VAB, right? So just imagine that you are standing at A position and you have to move towards B. So we can mark it as C or we can mark it as D. Now tell me which path you will follow. A to C, C to B, right? Either you can follow this path or you can follow this path. That is totally depending on you. Got it? So for VAB, if I'll follow the above path, then can I write down like VAB would be equal to VAC plus VCB, right? So according to Ohm's law, VAC is how much? IAC into RAC. VCB is how much? ICB into RCB, correct? ISC is how much? Like if you are moving, as I told you, in whichever direction you are moving, then current should also move in that direction only. If you are moving A to C, C to B, so current should also move like this. Okay. Again, we can mark it current like this, I2. So ISC, we need to calculate. RAC is how much? 2 ohm, correct? Again, ICB, we need to calculate. RCB is the resistance across C and B, that is 4 ohm, right? Clear? Now in the next case, as you can see that we have to calculate current. So according to this, tell me how many meshes are there? Two mesh, two variable and two equation, right? So what would be the first mesh equation? That is minus 5i2 minus 2. Is this 2 a middle branch or the corner branch? Middle branch. And in this middle branch there is a flow of single current or double current? I2 minus I1. Then again similar with the fourth, that is I2 minus I1, and then plus 16 is equal to 0, right? That you got it as a first equation. Now tell me the second equation. That is minus 4I1 minus 2I1 minus 4. Again this is in the middle branch. Now it would be I1 minus I2, then minus 2 I1 minus I2 is equal to 0, correct? So this is your second equation. Got it? Now we need to calculate IAC. As you can see, IAC current is moving like this. So I1 direction and IAC direction is same. So we can say it's positive I1, and I2 direction and IAC direction is opposite. So we can consider it as minus I2. So IAC would be equal to how much? I1 minus I2. Okay. Next is ICB. As you can see that ICB is in the corner branch. So you are moving from C to B. Current is also moving from C to B. So ICB would be simply equal to I1, right? After solving these two equations, can we get the value for I1 and I2? And can we substitute this value of I1 and I2 over here? After substitution, can we get the value for VAB? That is what they have asked. That is, they have asked you the thevenin voltage, and VAB must be equal to the thevenin voltage. Got it?